Samantha and her brother Alex were excited to spend the day at the beach. As soon as they arrived, the warm sand tickled their toes. Samantha loved the sound of the waves crashing against the shore, while Alex was eager to start building a sandcastle. With a bucket and shovel in hand, they worked together to create the tallest sandcastle they could. Samantha gathered colorful seashells and smooth pebbles to decorate it, while Alex focused on digging the moat. They laughed and chatted, enjoying the sun shining down on them towards the water, their laughter echoing across the beach. Samantha loved jumping over the waves, giggling every time the water splashed her. Alex, always the more adventurous one, wanted to try surfing on a small board he found. He wobbled and fell into the water, causing a big splash, but he laughed it off and jumped back up, determined to try again. As the sun began to set, painting the sky with vibrant shades of orange and favorite parts of the day, and promised to return soon for more beach adventures. With hearts full of joy and laughter, they packed up their things, leaving behind their sandy creation, a memory of a perfect day spent together by the sea.